Alright guys, so this is a trade recap on how I took an L today. I literally could have avoided taking an L today, and I'm gonna just give y'all some breakthrough. Uh, I'm gonna show you guys how I took an L today. So basically, coming in on today's Monday, I realized that we were very bullish Friday because of Paulo's speech, and I did realize that we came down and got some of the fair value gap that was here on the 4 hours. So with seeing that, I kind of wanted to go longs today, and I came in, marked out my 4 hour liquidity and 1 hour liquidity. So the red lines are the agent session liquidity, and the blue lines is the long session liquidity. So I had those liquidity marked out, and I also marked out 1 hour liquidity. So basically, I saw market manipulating this low. It came down a little bit, manipulate this low. So I thought bias was bullish. Also on GU, we manipulated this low. So I thought bias was bullish. But coming in, I honestly didn't realize that today we had GBP bank holiday because I didn't have GBP enabled. I only had EU and USD enabled, so I didn't realize that we had bank holiday today. I wouldn't have tried to take any sort of trade today if I did realize that, but it was kind of too late. But yeah, so we came in, market. I was hoping for market to sweep out this liquidity so we could get some kind of long entries, but price didn't, and it took out this 1 hour liquidity right here, and we consolidated for a bit. Then we had some kind of fall right here. I see this fall taking out our 4 hour liquidity, so I try to get into some kind of entry right here. I did broke my trading rules because the only entry I should be using is a breaker structure fair value gap, and I didn't get that, so I did break my rules today. The only thing I realized was that we had a breaker structure right here. We also had a breaker block right here being validated. So, and we had a inverse fair value gap being validated right here. So that was like 3 confluences. So I tried to go long there, but I did break my rules because the only confluences I should be using is breaker structure fair value gap. That saves me losses, but FOMO made me enter this trade right here and broke my rules, so I lost. So when I entered this trade, I realized that price was consolidating around here and came down here, so I thought we formed an SMT right here. So I was expecting price to go back, and on GU we also formed an SMT here, so I thought price was going to go up, but my whole idea was wrong because I broke my trading rule. So this is how I took a L today, and basically it was a very choppy day because I didn't realize that we had GBP bank holidays today, so it was very choppy. But hopefully we have some better price action tomorrow, since we won't be having any bank holidays or high impact news day. So hopefully we're gonna have some better price action tomorrow. But as for today, it was awful. We were choppy all morning. and we finally made some breakthrough around here, which I tried to take a long off and a lot. So guess that's it for the video. I'm gonna make sure I try my best to not break my trading rules again in upcoming videos, because it's not the first, it's not the second, it's the third time I broke my rules and I always lost. So I don't even know why I went with this trade right here. I think I was agitated and I was having fear of missing out. So I think that's why I took this trade right here. But I did manage to manage my risk, so I didn't really lose much of this trade because I've been practicing proper risk management. So that's good. But I did broke my trading rules. So that's it for the video on how I took a loss day. Peace.